Lego lovers, welcome to Funbuild. This is where small tiny bricks grow up into big adventures. Today we're going to build this Lego Technique bulldozer. So there's 155 pieces. It's 195 pieces, and the age is 7 plus. Okay, let's start opening. Can I open it? Oh, there are pieces. Oh, these pieces are so cool. Oh, there's some instructions. Oh, this one's a big piece. Okay, what piece is it? Here's the books. I think since this is a Lego Technique, it tells to open all the packets and it doesn't have a number. I don't open all the packets. Can you show them the features? Okay, so on the top. Okay, so on the top, this thing can move and it turns the gears like this thing. It turns this thing and also the gear all the way the small gear. Okay, this will turn. Look, and also there's one gear inside, and that will also turn. Look, see. The gear behind will turn it. Did they see it?
How hard is it?
It's easy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's so easy for me. It's just Lego Techniques are hard, but they're easy for me. So where I got this from, we're going to put the link in the description. So this is the belt that's used for bulldozer. It can go on sand, rocks, and cliffs and anything.
Easily.
Easily.
And that's what used instead of tires?
Yeah.
Can you show them how you put it on?
Hold on, let me
Does it need a little bit more or it's good enough?
It needs a little bit more.
Oh, okay, that's how it goes on. Okay. You can continue there.
Okay.
Oh, it's just snapping.
Yeah. It's like Lego Technique pieces. It's Lego Technique pieces because it also has holes.
So how many pieces goes on one belt?
Like so many. Let me just check. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back, this is the other side. And also this is how the threads move.
Slow.
And this is how this moves. See this knob, it moves it up and then down. And let me show you how it push stuff. 3, 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you had the same fun as me. And please like, share, and subscribe so that I can build more. Thanks. Bye.